Next up on the build process is the Overland style kitchen drawers and pantry that we're going to be building in the back. So I've done a little bit of measuring. My plan is to do a 2-drawer slide out here with flat top and then storage capabilities on top, and then to eventually plug in like a Dometic fridge right here for the to be able to keep stuff cold, or a freezer. And then on the back of here, this is not a nice piece of plastic. I mean, you can see it's cracked right here. And this is pretty much your access points into your handle and stuff like that, any maintenance items you have to do there. But all of this stuff, my plan is to build some sort of structure here where this will be a countertop that actually flips down and joins in with the deck. So this area right here will be kind of a kitchen style thing. Plus you're getting some of the coverage under here in the case of rain as well. So I'm assuming I will probably eventually put up some lights here or here to help kind of light up this area here, because this vehicle will be about 2 to 3 inches taller than it is right now with the lift. So I figured out I'm going to do 21 inches from the back of the seat up here. These ones don't recline, so I don't have to worry about that at all. And we're going to do 13 inches high, so I can still access this, and so I can still have access to this. There's not another storage thing back here. There's not like the floor comes up because the spare tire in this vehicle is right here. So 21 by 13 by 44 wide. And then we're gonna do some fairly tall ones. I don't know if I'm gonna do like one big drawer and then maybe, you know, 2 smaller ones. I haven't quite decided that yet. But yeah, I'm gonna get the base done tonight and try to get the actual frame built, and then we'll figure out the drawers tomorrow. This is what I've came up with so far. It's obviously pretty rough design, given what this will look like at the end. But it's measured, got the sort of the bones in there. With this lip here, I'm gonna have to build up a little bit, so I'm probably just gonna take a piece of wood from our blanket ladder project that we did not that long ago, put that right up here in front. That middle piece is not secured yet. Probably gonna try to get the top on, and then I'm probably gonna leave this open so I can get to here. And we'll probably honestly just close this off because there's really not a whole lot of stuff we can do there. And there's a vent that also needs to breathe for when you shut the door. So yeah, that's where we're at this point. Gotta secure that middle piece, and then just kind of figure out what's going on next. Cameras are full of sawdust. There we go. Okay. Day 1 is finished. Got the frame of the box made. I'm going to be taking apart those drawers right there from the Tacoma and taking the drawer slides and the handles and everything, installing the drawers. I'm going to have to do something here because this is in the way, but a drawer here, flat spot up top, just like I was saying. Got the power outlet here, and this is in need of a bad sand job for sure. I don't know, it's probably took me about an hour or so. All right, y'all, we are back with day 2 of the Jeep Liberty build. It's currently 32 degrees outside, so torpedo heater's ripping, buddy heater's ripping, which is probably gonna make video taping a little difficult, but we're gonna do our best. Today, the goal is to try to get the storage thing in the back finished getting built. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it or not. It definitely needs to be sanded down. 2 drawers, gotta kind of figure out how to do that. I don't have a whole lot of wood left, so we'll kind of see what we can do there. I do have some built drawers already, but they're not really the same, so we'll see how all that goes. I'm gonna bring you back into the video once I have some stuff built and figured out, just with the heater and everything. It's kind of loud, and it's cold, so my phone's probably not gonna keep charged very well. So I'll be back with you once I have the drawers built. All right, other than just a few little touch-ups and of course sanding and painting, the drawers are on, knobs are on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these 2. These are just what I had in the last ones. Pretty large drawers. They're sitting on, I think, 100-pound drawer slides, something like that, which they will not be 100 pounds in here, and then obviously I'm missing a little bit of hardware because the other one snapped off and I pulled it out of the old drawer. But yeah, so those are the drawers. I left this open for storage, and obviously that open for more storage over there. This is actually mounted into the car. It's drilled into the floorboard underneath the car. Other than that, I got B-Man out here trying to take himself for a walk, so I'll probably take him for a walk, and then we'll come back, sand this down, and then Courtney will paint it after I sand it. What is up, guys, and welcome back to day 3 of the Liberty build. Say hi. Hi. Day 3 of the Liberty build. Yesterday we got the scary eyes done, ditch lights put on, light bar put on. None of it's wired because I got to order all that still. And then we got the drawers sanded and the faces of the drawers painted and prepped for what we're doing today. Today we're going to basically cover the front of the drawers in stickers. I already went... Stickers? Stickers! Yeah, we're going to put stickers. In kind of a collage style, like my PS4 is covered and my Xbox is actually covered as well. I really like the look. I think it's really cool. So B-Man and I are going to put stickers on the front of the drawers. We're going to switch over to time lapse and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. I went on Amazon a few months ago, back when I still had the Tacoma, and bought a bunch of camping stickers, and they've literally just been in this envelope, and I finally found something to do. Also, there's like some random dirt bike stickers and some of my Pew Pew build stickers, budget Pew Pew builds. Anyway, so yeah, all of these right here. Over to time lapse. You ready to put them on there? Yeah? Hey, Brooke, should we do more stickers on the other drawer?
More stickers?
More stickers?
More stickers!
Okay, well, this is one drawer done. Just gotta go with the other one and we'll do the other one as well. Are you ready to go?
There you go.
Perfect. I'll go with the other drawer and we'll keep going, okay?
Help? Help?
Yep, you're gonna help.
Help?
And these are the finished projects, or product, not projects. Finished products with the stickers on the drawers. I think that looks absolutely awesome. I did kind of reorganize the drawers a little bit. I'm sure this will kind of be a work in progress as we go, especially having 3 people and a German Shepherd in this thing. We're definitely gonna have to try to figure out the whole storage thing. This is the other one. Just there's some normal survival stuff in here. This is not a daily driver by any means, especially with the way this thing drives right now. But continuing on with the importance of storage, in day 3 of the Liberty build, we are working on the roof rack. So these plastic rails, they're an aluminum cover, but I'm pretty sure they're kind of this hardened plastic underneath. These will not hold a rooftop tent at all, much less other storage. And with the sunroof there, it could get a little interesting. So I started removing these. They're basically just kind of clipped in here. I'm not planning on putting these back in, so I wasn't terribly concerned what happened with these. If anyone needs roof rails for Jeep Liberty, hit up Off Trail Destinations on YouTube. You can have them. They're free. Just pay shipping, or come to me if you live in Minnesota. So basically, there's these 8mm bolts here, 8mm bolts up there. Undo this. I'm planning on actually cutting the top rack off my Overland trailer, fabricating a sort of mount that'll work with these, installing this, and being able to throw the rooftop tent on top. So I'm gonna grab my impact and the 8mm, get these out, and do the same thing to that side. Well, that's a flat tire waiting to happen. Let's go find that actually. Okay, so this is my top rack for the rooftop tent off of the Overland trailer that I built but never finished, and then didn't want to finish. The width looks about right for those rails. Obviously, I'm gonna have to fabricate some mounts. I got a welder and a bunch of scrap metal, but I figured we'd use these. Probably hang a couple more light bars on them too. But I'm gonna get it up there, kind of test fit, and go from there. Well, that's up there. Obviously, it's not gonna sit quite this high. Probably gonna trim that down around 6 inches or so. I don't need a absolute parachute of a thing on top of the vehicle. But yeah, I'm gonna trim it down, build a few mounts, and get the rooftop tent up there. All right, just a slight update. Everything is kind of in place. My plan is to bolt these all together for now. Lay some welds in there too, just to be sure, and then paint everything. Those lights aren't gonna stay there. Just kind of trying to get everything mocked up right now. I went ahead and trimmed these so the roof rack is actually level, just in case, you know, we can't find something to level the Jeep out. It may look a little different, but my plan is to put a wind deflector of some sort. It's why those front mounts are so far ahead. But I'm gonna bolt everything together, see what it looks like, and probably throw the tent up there quick. But it's coming along. And that is a wrap on day 3. Rack is up, it's bolted in. I decided I don't need to weld this here. These bolts should suffice. Tomorrow I still have some bed rails left from the Tacoma for the storage racks, or the T-nut style storage. Then I'm gonna put on the side so I can mount my max tracks and lights and whatever else. Pretty simple install. It is waterproofed. I did throw some foam underneath there too. Those front lights are not going to stay there, but I think it looks pretty good. Still needs a wind deflector among other things, but spent a total of $8 on this thing so far. Everything else is just stuff I've had laying around. Thank you guys for watching this video on the storage boxes and the rack up top. This is the finished rack. I want to put a 36-inch bar here. Still got to finish wiring all this stuff up for the side lights, and on the other side there's some more of these Tacoma rails over there. What's up, buddy? We'll go for a drive in just a second, okay? Here, you can get in here. You can hop in your car seat. I'm gonna trim this off here too, just a few little finishing touches. I'm not gonna drag you guys along for, not a huge deal. This side will have a shovel mounted to it, as well as the Tacoma things in case we need to strap like a paddleboard or something to the top, something short-lived that isn't gonna be there forever. So yeah, that is the roof rack, and obviously the storage box is in the back. Stay tuned for more videos. The next video coming will be wiring up all of the light bars, ditch lights, and obviously these lights as well. Other than that, subscribe, comment, like, We'll see you next time.